Interpreting the technical specifications for the Beckhoff EtherCAT terminal. EL2904. The EL2904 has 1 to 2 wire connection technology. It features 4 outputs. The maximum output current is 0.5 amps per channel. The EL2904 features a twin-safe/safety over EtherCAT protocol. This terminal must be installed horizontally. It has an IP20 protection rating. The fault response time is less than or equal to watchdog time, parameterizable. It weighs 100 grams. It is made of polycarbonate. The dimensions of this terminal are 24 mm by 100 mm by 68 mm. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all EtherCAT terminal sales and replacements.